Okay, so you've built a beautiful website, you've launched it, and now you're just hearing crickets. Sound familiar? Well, if it does, this explainer is for you. We're going to break down exactly why your site isn't bringing in clients and, more importantly, show you a powerful strategy you can use to change that, like, right now. So let's get right to it. Why isn't it working? You've probably poured a ton of time and money into your online presence, but the customers just aren't showing up. It honestly can feel like you're shouting into a void, but I promise you there's a very specific reason this happens. It's not just bad luck. And this quote right here, this gets to the absolute heart of the matter. It's probably not that your website is bad. It's that the internet is just an unbelievably crowded place now. I mean, even the best, most beautiful, most expensive websites in the world can still get completely lost in the noise, becoming basically invisible to potential clients. Okay, so let's talk about this idea of the invisible website. To get what's going on, you have to understand the race we're all in, because that old mantra of if you build it, they will come is, well, it's officially dead. Think of the early internet as this massive, wide-open land rush. The businesses that staked their claim, say 15 years ago, they got a huge head start. They've spent all those years building authority and trust with search engines like Google. So if you're just launching today, you're not just competing, you're trying to catch up in a race that started a long, long time ago. And this chart really just drives the point home, doesn't it? I mean, look at that difference. The chance of being found organically, that means, without paying for ads, was huge for those early websites. But for a new site today, that chance has absolutely plummeted. The digital space is just so saturated, making it a monumental task to climb to the top. But here's the good news. This is not a story of doom and gloom. Not at all. It's a story about strategy. If that global race is way too crowded, then it's time to find a new race, one you have a fantastic chance of actually winning. And here it is. This is your secret weapon, the Google Business Profile. Now, this is crucial. This is not your website. It's a completely separate and, get this, completely free tool from Google. It's designed for one thing and one thing only, helping your business show up in local searches and on Google Maps to connect with customers right in your neighborhood. So, this is the key difference in strategy you gotta understand. Your website, it's a global information hub. That's great, but it's incredibly hard to rank. Your Google Business Profile, on the other hand, is a local customer magnet. It's specifically designed to make you visible to people nearby, which is a much, much easier battle to win. And who are these people you're reaching? Well, they're the best kind of potential clients you could ask for. They are physically in your area. They are often ready to buy something immediately. And most importantly, they are actively searching for the exact service you offer, right this very moment. We're talking about high-intent local traffic. It's gold. So, we found this amazing tool, and you knew there was a but coming. Here's the catch, and it's a big one. This opportunity, it has an expiration date. Seriously, the clock is ticking, and we need to talk about why. You see, history is about to repeat itself. Just as the website space became incredibly saturated and competitive, the same exact thing is starting to happen with Google Business Profiles. More and more business owners are catching on. They're learning how to optimize their profiles to outrank their local competitors. This timeline really puts it all into perspective. In the past, we had that website gold rush, and we all know that era of easy visibility is over. What's so critical to understand is that right now, we are in the middle of the Google Business Profile gold rush. But just like that first one, this window is closing. And soon, it's going to be just as hard to get noticed locally as it is globally today. And this is the key warning. The analysis is crystal clear on this. Waiting is your worst enemy. The work you do right now to build up and optimize your profile creates a competitive advantage that will be almost impossible to replicate in a few years, when everyone else is fighting for the same exact space. So what's the big takeaway here? It's time to be proactive. Stop worrying about that race you're already late for, and let's start sprinting in the one you can still win. So here's your next move. It really just boils down to a simple two-step path. Step 1, create your free Google Business Profile. It seriously takes just a few minutes. Step 2, don't just set it and forget it. You have to start optimizing it right away. That means adding high-quality photos, actively asking customers for reviews, and posting regular updates. Every single one of those actions helps you climb the local rankings and build your moat before the competition floods in. So just remember this. Even though the global internet feels impossibly crowded, this local opportunity means you absolutely still have a chance to be found. The playing field is smaller, the customers are right there, and the time to act is right now. So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. Your website is an important brochure, sure, but your Google business profile? That's your engine for local growth. The race is on.